All right, we are in the rural county, Central Texas, with a couple 45 ACP chambered pistols. One is the 5-inch 1911 by Ruger. One is the 3.78-inch Glock 30. And we'll be firing 3 different loads into water-filled media. Alright. Camera in my pocket. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm sure it sounds muffled. Alright, I see it in here. It made it right there. It looks like it expanded. Huh. Very nice. Alright, G30. 10 feet. 165 grain. You guys see it in there? Let's cut it open and see. Let me go secure this gun. Alright, I don't have a sock, so if there's wind noise, I'm very, very sorry. Alright, there's the first round. That's from the 5-inch 1911. It looks like it expanded. Second round. Went through that one. Oh, there it is. And there it is. So we've got the 5-inch Ruger SR1911 and the 3.77-inch Glock 30. There you go. Definitely squashed a lot better out of the 1911. Squashed a whole lot better.
So here we have the two Ferderal Guard Dog 165 grain EFMJ bullets after fired into the media water bottles, whatever you want to call them. The SR1911 is the bullet on the left is the one fired out of the SR1911. The one on the right was fired out of the Glock. It's obvious that the expansion, as far as the diameter, overall diameter of the SR1911 bullet, is wider than the one fired out of the shorter barreled Glock 30. Side view of the bullet fired out of the SR1911, you can see that the bullet collapsed to the point of the crimp uh, on the base of the bullet. So energy equals mass times velocity squared, I believe, is the equation, and the mass was the same, but the velocity obviously was different. So you see the lesser energy contributed to less collapsing of the expanding portion of the bullet from the G30. And a quick look at both of the bullets together side by side in low light conditions, just in case you needed to see that. So there you have it. What we already knew is still true. More velocity equals more expansion equals more energy. So shorter barreled handguns will give you less energy but more concealability. So one trade-off in one area gives you a bonus in another. So you just pick which one you want. You want more energy, or do you want to hide your gun better? So pretty obvious here, and we'll see more in the next video. Thanks, guys.